Good morning. We are here to present the drama training course and to present how easy it is to move around the platform. In order to get the drama training course, you have to write drama.eu like this. You can choose the language. In our case, we are going to choose English. And then we can see here the contents. In order to get the drama training course, we have to go here, training course, and then we can enroll in the online and free of charge training course for digital transformation managers for the furniture sector. In order to register ourselves, we have to click here. You can register at this link. Then you will get one register form like this. We have to fill in the form with our data. In our case, name, surname, email address, city, country, gender, and occupation. It is really important the email because you will receive one password in order to go to the drama training course. The occupation is important as well because we have 2 training paths in the drama course. One of them is aimed at a higher educational students, university, and managers from the good furniture sector. Another one for better students, occasional, professional education, and workers from good furniture sector. I'm going to choose university, in this case, English as language, and then to send the register form. Immediately, we have one email in our inbox. If this is not the case, please search your spam with all the indications to get the drama training course and the password. Then we can go to the course. Into our course, we have 3 blocks like this. So we can go, for instance, into the resource, and here we have the platform operation and guide. Here there is the information around how to move around the platform with the content, structure of the course, how to register, access to the platform, access to the course, as we could see. We have as well the guide for the digital transformation manager for the furniture sector. This is one presentation for the course. It will go to the communications block. You had one presentation forum and one discussion forum. Into the presentation forum, we can introduce ourselves, our interests, and so on. Into the discussion forum, we can keep in touch with the colleagues, with other students that they are into the training course from the drama. Into the contents, we have the training course. We have 10 units from 1 to 10, and this is a structure, several topics, and one test in order to know if we are getting the concepts. For instance, we can go into the first topics, Internet of Things, emergency of connected economics. Here, we can move using this part, but we can go here to enter into the course. We start the course, and then we have the summary, the learning outcomes, the topics of the videos, takeaways related to the furniture industry, and additional material. Has PDFs like this with additional developing the economic impact of Internet of Things, papers, students, additional material, bibliography, and so on. Then, after to see all the topics into the unit, we can go to the test. Here, you can see the test, and we can go enter. We press start, and we get the test. As you can see, we have 4 responses. Only one of them is the right one. We are going to fill in the test in order to show you how is provided the feedback. As you can see, we can submit the response and immediately you have one feedback. In this case, this is one incorrect response. After the test, you have your score. In our case, it's 57, so we're passing the test. After our test, if we are passing the test as is our case, we get the certificates. Here we can see the certificate. So, this is one example, but it's supposed to have our name. And we'll get the certificates regarding our course. So, I hope that it has been easy for you to move around the trauma training course, and I wish you are successful in your training course. Thank you very much for your attention.